Today we're going to do an installation on the Scala rider on an Araya helmet. In your Scala rider kit you'll find the Allen wrench, an adhesive base plate, 2 Velcro pads, an extra sponge, and an alcohol pad. You'll begin by taking the Araya helmet, pulling the liner out. Then what you'll want to do is set it aside for a moment. You'll grab your audio kit, loosen the 2 screws on the back a tad, you'll slide it between the lid and the liner. It has a lip there. You'll pull it back snug as far to the rear as you can. You'll be left with 2 speaker wires. On this particular helmet, you can take your ear plates out. And on the Araya, that's pretty unique, you can also take this apart and your speakers will place right in here. So at this point, you'll take your short speaker wire and place it on the foam. Pull your cover back over. On the Araya, it'll just pop back in. Rear to front. You'll put it all back together the way you took it apart. Don't be afraid to get physical with your helmet. Some helmets are tighter than others. Your long speaker wire I haven't forgotten. We're going to run that to the other side in 1 minute. You'll tighten your 2 screws to hold the base plate on. Your long speaker wire will be done the same way. You'll take it around the back of the helmet and just put it in that crease. You can also use the Allen wrench to tuck the wire down in there tightly. This side will disassemble just the same way the other side did. For each helmet it's going to be a little different, but majority of the helmets the liner comes out. Pop it all back together. Take your Allen wrench and finish hiding the wire. You want to make sure that you bring the mic around to the front of the mouth. It's positioned like that. That's why you want to make sure this is pushed all the way back to make sure the mic is right there. And that's how it'll look when it's finished. Some helmets you can't pull the liner away from the helmet. In this case, our kit comes with an adhesive backing plate. And how you would mount that to the audio kit is you would take loose the 2 screws. And the adhesive backing plate goes over where the clamp method was. And you would insert the 2 screws back in. Tighten the 2 screws up snug. You would then remove the red sticky backing. Find the place on your helmet where you would like it to be, and you would stick it on just like that and press firmly, and the mic would come around to the front of the mouth. And then you would run your speaker wires just like in the other helmet.